Hello everyone, this is Mr. Co with a video on some tips and tricks for proper care and maintenance of your baritone. We're going to cover two main things today. The first is how to release any water that is stuck in your instrument, and the second one is how to properly oil your valves. These are the two most common things that students who play have issues with. So let's go ahead and go through them now. The first is, here's my baritone, how to release any water stuck in your instrument. So if you're playing your instrument and you're hearing any kind of popping or gurgling or bubbling sound when you're playing a note, that probably means that you have some water that needs to be released. All right. So if I flip my baritone so that you can see the bottom, we have what's called the water key here. It's also known as the spit valve. Sometimes, I promise there's not really much of any spit that's going in here. It's more condensation from your breath, but that does have water in it, which can make that sound that I mentioned. So the first thing you'll do is press down on this while over a trash can. So I'm gonna get my trash can ready in case anything comes out. I don't want it to go on the floor or my shoes. And so what you wanna do is line yourself up so that you have a finger right here, ready to push down on this valve, and you have your mouth on the mouthpiece. Now we do not want to buzz our lips. We don't want to like we do to normally play. We don't want to do that when emptying the water. All right, we want to just blow. And you'll notice I don't even put my lips together. I just open my mouth wide so I can just get some air going through here. All right, so I'm gonna do that while I press down on this. And I'm gonna kind of angle my baritone. I know you can't really see it in this video, but I'm gonna angle so that this water key is really facing down towards the trash can. I'll do that 2 or 3 times to make sure that any water that's around there gets released. Now, sometimes the baritone is special. Sometimes water gets caught in some other places. 1, 2, 3, there's other slides where the water can get stuck. So if you do this the water key and you still hear that gurgling sound, what I'd recommend is to start here, and you're gonna pull this guy out, just like this until it pops off. You can also hold down the first valve because this is the first valve slide. Hold down that first valve and you're going to turn this over, see if anything comes out, none in mind. Leave your first valve down and go ahead and put that back. It's almost like a scavenger hunt when I am using the baritone because it has so much tubing. So it's like, where is the water? Let's see if I can find it. First of all, I'm gonna actually focus myself and get this back in here. And then we're gonna take a look in the second valve. So same thing, hold down that second valve. And we're gonna go for this little guy right here. This one is sometimes hard to come out. And so I pulled that off, it's much littler. We're gonna turn that guy over in front of the trash can, see if there's anything here. And then you're gonna hold the third valve for this really long one right here. You're gonna go ahead and pull down. Alrighty. And this one's a little stuck for me. You might need to wiggle it back and forth. And then we're gonna go ahead and turn that one over as well and make sure that there's no water in any of those places, alrighty? And once you do that, you should actually find some water somewhere in there. And that'll help you to make a more natural, normal sound that you're used to, all right? So that's how you empty the water. And now let's talk about oiling valves. Now, the most common problem that a lot of people have is if they press down on a valve and it just stays there, it doesn't pop back up like mine does, that means that it is time to oil our valve, or if it comes up halfway, or if it's not all the way up and it kind of sounds fuzzy, that means we need to oil the valve. Let's go through the steps because there's a lot of steps to do this and it's easy to do something incorrect by accident, all right? All right, so step 1, we're going to unscrew the cap right here, not this guy, this one right here. And this is gonna allow us to pull the entire valve out. So you might need some help. These get pretty tight, and so you really gotta squeeze hard to get it to be undone. You can ask a family member for help as well. Lefty-loosey, right? Lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, so you'll get it looser by turning to the left. All right, and then you're gonna pull the entire valve out. This is what your valve looks like inside. We are going to oil from here to the end, all right? We don't need to worry about up here. This is where our hand goes. We don't want that to get all oily. That will not help us. So everyone should have gotten some valve oil. Mine's in a clear case. Yours might be in a blue case. It might be in a white case, but it should say valve oil on it. And I will link something in the description if you need to purchase some valve oil. You can also go right to the music store and grab it. So we're gonna take this, I'm gonna do this over the trash can as well. Try and keep your clothes, yourself away. So I always like to hold it away from my body because this stuff does stain if it gets on your clothes. I don't want that to happen. So make sure that you're kind of holding it away from yourself, and you're gonna just very gently tip and do a little bit of oil as you spin it to make sure it gets all over. Less is more with this stuff. You don't need a lot, all right? Once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and put it back, and you might need to wiggle it a little bit. This baritone is a tight instrument sometimes to get all the valves to line up properly. So what you'll see is kind of this little white piece right here. That's called a valve guide. And you wanna line it up. You'll see it kind of comes to a point. And there's also a little divot in the valve itself. That's where that little point of the valve guide should line up with. When you have it there, I kind of like to hold it down, and I'm using my fingers to spin it to the right, righty-tighty, while also holding it down, because it can kind of pop up if you're not holding it down. It needs to be held down, and you're gonna spin this, spin this, spin this. And my most favorite part, once it's back in there and the oil's on there, you get to press it a bunch of times. That works the oil all the way through the valve, and you should notice that it's gonna start moving a little bit easier. Sometimes what you'll have to do is it'll move really slow, and you'll have to pull it back up and push it down and pull it back up. But it gets easier the more you work it in, all right? And those are the two most important tips I have for taking care of your baritone. If you have any other questions or comments about issues, let me know in class. Happy practicing.